factors contributing to food and water scarcity and drought in Somalia. Governance and stability, non-functional or less powerful government, federal and states, lacking the capacity to effectively address major causes of drought and other natural or man-made problems. Poor security and widespread instability throughout the country. Social conflicts and wars. Environmental and climate factors, climate change and global warming. Reduced rainfall due to deforestation, climate change and global warming. Deforestation, overgrazing and destruction of trees for charcoal production, firewood and construction materials. Soil degradation and over-cultivated land, leading to low production. Agricultural challenges, lack of community participation in agricultural initiatives. Subsistence farming due to limited resources, small landholdings, insufficient manpower, outdated farming methods, lack of equipment. Pest infestations, such as locusts, and significant crop damage from birds. Farmers abandoning their villages/farms in search of better living conditions. Excessive water demands in urban and rural areas. Lack of social infrastructure and modern agricultural equipment. Primitive farming and animal husbandry methods. Human, plant and animal diseases without adequate treatment. Poor crop storage practices, including inadequate underground storage. Farmers prioritizing cash crops like sesame and fruits over staple foods such as sorghum, maize and beans. Lack of effective rangeland management. No storage for forage and rations for livestock. No agricultural and livestock research centers. Farming heavily reliant on rainfall with no alternative irrigation methods. Non-qualified agricultural directors or authorities. Lack of input from intellectuals, agronomists, animal husbandry experts, and veterinarians. No network for farmers to share knowledge or resources. Illegal occupation of farming lands by individuals with limited farming experience. Water management and infrastructure, flooding in the Shabelle and Juba rivers and during torrential rains. No systematic water distribution at rivers. Lack of flood protection facilities along rivers and during storms. Scarcity of water reservoirs and old water pools, insufficient wells. Decreased capacity of water catchments due to silt/soil deposition, excessive heat, and infiltration. Socio-economic and political factors, road blockages and a poor communication system. Double taxation from both the government and Al-Shabaab, discouraging farmers from cultivating land. International organizations and local NGOs inadvertently encouraging farmers to leave their farms/villages. Internally displaced persons IDP camps becoming income-generating projects for exploitative individuals. No repatriation programs for internally displaced people. Fishing related factors, primitive fishing methods. Lack of modern equipment, boats, fish catching facilities, cold storage. Limited or non-existent fish markets. Road blockages hindering transport of fish. Illegal fishing practices. Fish and seafood not being a common part of the Somali diet. Lack of government and international support/investment in the fishing sector. Absence of clear rules and regulations for fishing. Marine pollution impacting fish stocks. Prepared by Oz Aman, Melbourne, Australia.